Hi angels, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are watching this video. Today I'm excited to share a few more jewelry items from my Coach jewelry collection and just my semi-precious stone jewelry collection, sterling silver, gold jewelry collection today with you guys. So I'm starting off like this because I just wanted to share this jewelry box. It's a jewelry box that I have in my beauty room. It's about 4 feet tall, so you can see it goes all the way down to the ground, you guys, and it stands about to my face. I'm about 5'8", and I would say this jewelry box is maybe about 4 feet tall because it's pretty tall. It's almost as tall as me, and you can see I just have it right here in my room. And today I just kind of wanted to share some of the jewelry items that I have in here. I always move and rearrange my stuff. So I showed you guys a video where I had my jewelry items in several boxes, several Michaels boxes, and I still do store some of my jewelry in those boxes, but sometimes I go ahead and rearrange and put stuff in here too, like turquoise jewelry and semi-precious gemstones. So let's go ahead and open this baby up and take a look at the jewelry that I have inside here. So here are the lovely jewelry items, and you can see I have my Coach jewelry in here. I have some turquoise necklaces, and when I feel like doing my bohemian look, Southwestern jewelry there. So let's start up here. Of course, you guys know lately I've just been on such a Coach jewelry craze. So I have some Coach dangles here, and the Huggies that I love so much, the Coach Huggies are right there, as well as I have some of the stud Coach earrings that are just CC. You know, they just have the C's on them for Coach. Some of them have the lovely pavés, and I just really am enjoying the Coach jewelry. So I decided to store some of them in here along with the necklaces. There's the Coach hoops, the logo hoops that are so nice to wear and match with so many of your outfits, and a couple of my Pandora bracelets I have in here as well. And then of course I have some of my chakra bracelets. I love chakra. They just give off good positive energy with the 7 chakras, and I went ahead and put them on a bar in here. So this jewelry box is pretty nice. And I don't know if you old school girls remember the company Finger Hut. I believe years ago I ordered this jewelry box from Finger Hut. They can hold a lot of your jewelry, these standing jewelry boxes. So today I just wanted to share this jewelry box with you guys because I am enjoying storing some of my jewelry in here, as well as in the stacking jewelry boxes that I have. But I just wanted to go ahead and talk about the lovely jewelry and how I store some of my items in here as well. I have some of my Swarovski crystal slate bracelets in here as well. Michael Kors jewelry in here. There's some Michael Kors locks in here. And I just wanted to share that with you girls today. I hope you guys enjoy my video on how I store some of my jewelry. I'm trying not to be in the frame, you guys. I'm not camera ready this morning. But yeah, this is it. And it's a lovely wooden, it's cherry wood, so it matches my bedroom set. I had it in my bedroom for a while, but then I decided to bring it in my beauty room. So this is just a nice cherry wood armoire, and it tilts. You can tilt it or you can leave it standing straight. Of course, I'm just leaving it standing straight with the jewelry. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little jewelry video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.